हेलो। अगर आप भी गिलहरियों की क्रूरता से परेशान हैं, मीन्स इफ यू guys are also fed up from the squirrels digging into your yard, so let me show you. Today I relocated eighth squirrel, and let me show you what I use as a bait and the trap. Trust me, I feel like now I'm a pro in this. As I put the bait, within 5 to 10 minutes the squirrel is voila inside. So this is the secret: peanuts with shells. Okay, they love those. These are really yummy. Super tasty. Okay, so this is my trap. It's a big one for skunk, cat, very heavy duty. You can get it from Amazon. I think it's close to $40. So what I do, there is a ball inside. So you lift this, you push this down, and you'll lift from here. Okay, there is one latch here, and as this is latched in, there is a manual also, I think. Okay, so now this one is open. Okay, so this is the bowl I use. I'll show you. You can see how they have chewed the bowl. They get very angry. So now I'm gonna put 2 in this one. You need to push it all the way in the back, because this is the trigger here, so it should go all the way back. Okay, all the way back. And now what you need to do to lead to this trap, oops, I usually do 2 to 3 to this way. So like if I am keeping it here, I will put 1 peanut here, 1 there, 1 there. So that way she will have those peanuts, she will love it, she will say yummy, and then she will see some inside there. As she gets in, she or he, and they step on that trigger, voila, that critter is done. So within 5 to 10 minutes, this is my, like today is my, it was 8th one, and I was amazed. I feel like, oh my god, I'm such a pro now. Within 5 to 10 minutes. Mornings they are very hungry. I usually put in the morning the trap, but this is right now 6:30 in the evening, so I'm just gonna keep it in the morning. Whenever she comes, she's gonna binge on those yummy peanuts, and then in the morning I'm sure she will be in. The best thing is, after putting these traps, I don't see many squirrels now in my yard, and I don't see any damage in my yard. That is the main thing. So I'm very happy with that, and I always keep this trap ready. Even if there is no squirrel, just by when they see there's a trap, they don't even get down. Sometimes when they try to get down, and they're having a feast, and then I just relocate them to a nice big park. There are so many squirrels over there. So this is, a lot of people ask, like, yes, we have also squirrels, and this is how I am putting this. You can buy these on Amazon. One of my neighbors, they let me use it. So this is a big one for skunks, for cats, and very, very heavy duty. They try to chew on that, but they cannot do anything. They cannot escape at all. And you can easily hold from the top when they're inside here, and you're pretty safe. Okay guys, let me know how many you caught. I am already having so many. Bye for now.